Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing spelling. Here we go. Open your book to page 14, Vocabulary Lesson 2. Okay? Using our words. Write the missing word in the following sentences. Use the words from the word bank. Snail, rope, train, sub, toad, chain, nail, boat, goat, mail. Okay, number one. The train travels on tracks. A boat travels on water. We hammer a nail in the wall. 4. A goat may live on a farm. Number 5. Wash your hands with soap and water. Number 6. The mail carrier brings the mail every day. I put on my robe after take a shower. That metal chain is very heavy. Number 9. The snail moves very slowly. Number 10. A toad is bigger than a frog. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.